Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss surface anatomy, thorax, how to count rib, intercostal space. At first, you identify the jugular notch, which is situated at the superior border of the manubrium sternum. Then you slide your finger until you find the sternal angle. Lateral surface of the sternal angle is articulate with the second costal cartilage. Then you have to identify second costal cartilage. Just below the second costal cartilage, this is the second intercostal space. This is third one. Like this, you identify rest of the intercostal space. So, the bony landmark, jugular notch, sternal angle, second costal cartilage, second intercostal space. In the living body, you easily identify the jugular notch, a depressed area, and it's situated in between sternal head of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. This is the sternal head of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Then you identify a elevation, sternal angle, just lateral to the sternal angle, second costal cartilage, depressed area, second intercostal space, third intercostal space, fourth intercostal space, fifth intercostal space. So this is all about today's video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.